There are many possible distractions while working. Just like psychological distractions, physical discomfort can drain your reserves and reduce your productivity. However, when the body is at ease, the mind will follow. That's why we design chairs that provide comfort and support to allow your mind and body to work to their optimum efficiency. We are always considering how can we use intelligent, human-centered design to support performance at work, at home, or at school. Our product development team works with Andrew Wilson, Ergonomist and Osteopath, to have each office chair ergonomically assessed.
If your posture's well supported, you'll find your body will be more relaxed, there'll be less discomfort, your breathing and digestion will be better, and you'll have more variation of movement while you're seated. When completing an ergonomic assessment, I look at 5 key criteria. The first criteria is the seat.
I assess the size and profile of the seat. Is it contoured to reduce pressure points? Does it have an effective rounded waterfall-like edge to reduce pressure under the thighs? I assess the quality of the padding. Is it molded into a good contour? Does it have enough density and depth to be comfortable? Is it still comfortable after prolonged sitting?
The second criteria is the backrest.
I look at the size and shape of the backrest. Does it have enough lumbar and pelvic support? Does it follow the anatomical shape of the spine? Does it have any pressure points? Is there any lateral support? Does it have any dynamic or live movement? Is there any lumbar support adjustment?
The third criteria is the relationship between the seat and the backrest.
Do they fit well together? Do they provide good posture with comfort and without pressure points in the 3 key postures? Optimum posture, thighs sloping forward 5 to 10 degrees. Center posture, thighs horizontal. Reclined posture.
The fourth criteria is the range and the accessibility of the adjustments.
What range of adjustments are there? Are they easy to reach from the seated position? Are they labelled? Are they intuitive to use, or are they a bit confusing? Do they meet the minimum standards of the code?
The fifth criteria is whether the chair is biased to larger or smaller users.
I look at whether there's enough gas lift range to suit taller users to have their hips higher than knees. I look at whether the seat and backrest profiles are suited to a wide range of users. Once all 5 criteria are completed, I write a summary of the findings, including the key points and the type of user the chair is best suited to.
You can read our chair ergonomic assessments on our website to ensure you're getting the chair that best suits you. You can be sure to find a chair that's got your back. Experience the difference sitting well can make with Buro seating. Sit well, live better.